All right, so we're given a function y equals 2,500 plus 125 times x, and we're told that this represents the amount of money in a bank account, y, so y is the amount of money in your account, after x months, so x represents the number of months. Which statement most accurately interprets the y-intercept of the function? So the first thing you need to recognize is that this function is written in slope-intercept form. And slope-intercept form as a review looks like this: y equals mx plus b. Now notice in the function they gave us, the x is on the right and the b is on the left. So they just wrote these in a different order, but that's okay. Those are terrible arrows. Jeez. So they just swapped these around, but the number with the x, so the coefficient of x is m, which is the slope. They're asking us about the y-intercept. So that's talking about this number, which in this case is the 2,500. So the y-intercept is 2,500, and they want to know what does that mean. So if we look at the choices here, A and B say the y-intercept's 20. That's not correct. C and D say the y-intercept is 2,500. So then C says that means that the bank account starts with 2,500 in it. D says means that you earn $2,500 each month. So if you look at the equation, the 125 is being multiplied times the number of months. So that's money that you earn each month. The 2,500 is just what you start with. So the answer to this would be C. All right, keep working hard. You will master the math.